Hello, my reading buddies. Welcome back to Storytime with Miss Cece. I am so excited. You guys are back. It's time to read another story. So, the book we'll be reading today is called I Love You to the Moon and Back. This is a Tiger Tales book illustrated by Tim Warnes. So, if you all are ready, go ahead, get your beanies, get the books if you have them, and let's blast off. I love our time together as we start each happy day. I love our bath time silliness, the way we splash and play. I love to lift you way up high so you feel really tall. We'll climb the highest mountain tops. Hold tight and you won't fall. I love to share the magic of the shining skies above and think of all the different ways that we can show our love. Like when we're touching noses, playing chase, or seeing friends. Our love is always with us, and it never, ever ends. So snuggle safely in my arms. Our day is nearly done. I love you to the moon and stars, my precious little one. What a great story. I encourage you all to take some time out and think about all the things you love about the people in your life. And remember, if you like reading stories with me, don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and until we meet again, keep reading, keep using your imaginations, and I will see you guys real soon.